Guys, have you tried Abaca Baking Company Baseline Center? Did you know they offered weekend buffet? And it's Latin American specialties. And this is available every Friday and Saturday until June 7, 5:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. for 1,499 per guest. Guys, they offer a lot of foods from sweets, main dish, salads, taco station, make your own nachos, grilled foods, and oh my god, as in daghan siya. Di na nako mga lantanan as in. In fairness sa lahang food, lami siya ha. Pero sa tinud-anay lang, ang ako lang diyong gusto kanon ang akong natiluan. Sa sobra kadaghan sa food, maglibog na magud ka. Pero ang ako agyong personal favorite kay lahang fresh oysters. Ilang shrimp, fresh taco, make your own nachos. Ilang soup, oh my god, ganahan kay kukay tomato based. Ilang lechon, wow, so crispy. Ilahang beef, oh my god, it's so soft. Naasad sila klase-klaseng mga seafoods. O ang iyahang mga sauce, wow, lami siya ha. Amazed jud ko kay na sila pa Latin American specialties. So, this is all what I got. Ubay-ubay jud kay dako bay akong kaon. So, this is me eating everything. Muragwa na jud nako na video tanan kay oh my god, lami na jud kay kaon. Kana galing. Kaon na lang ka nga wala ka ga film. In fairness, ubay-ubay jud akong nakaon. Mura jud nakauyo na jud ko sa Latin American na taste. Aura to.